Drivers aren't the only ones working hard to bring fresh produce out of the orchards and into the stores. Today, I'm talking to Cole Jessup, logistics manager at CMI Orchards in Wenatchee. His job is to monitor all the deliveries the trucks are making and make sure everything is running smoothly.
Well, I try to get everybody's orders in as soon as I can. Each sales assistant gives me their daily needs. I try to get those as quick as I can so I can get them to the truck and get the truck locked up as quick as I can so he can know what to do the next day. That's keeps me busy pretty much all morning long, and then I'm just kind of riding herd on the trucks that afternoon, making them sure they're where they're supposed to be.
CMI delivers fresh produce, including pears, cherries, apples, and apricots. 30% of their produce goes overseas, and the rest gets delivered across the United States.
Most of our delivered clients are in the Northeast, Midwest, Texas, California, Ohio.
What are you looking for when it comes to reliable drivers to get these products where they need to go?
Safety being number one, reliability being number two. And then I would say whoever I'm working with, communication. All the buyers out there, they want to know where their truck is. They want to know if it's going to get there on time. So I've got to have the answers for them. So I need to communicate with somebody who's going to give me the right answers, good or bad. I just need the right answer.
So when a truck leaves this facility, it's not like, see you later, don't know what's happening.
Right.
You know what's going on, where that truck is at.
You've got to know where it's at.
You have to.
If the driver has GPS on their cell phone, it can have that plugged right into your system so you know right where he's at. If there's any issues, if he's got a flat tire, if he had to pull over for some engine work, you need to know, okay, he's pulled over, how long is it going to be till he's back on the road? There's no way to get fruit from the orchard to the warehouse to the customer without trucks. F-150 with a little trailer isn't going to get it done.
Right. We need a few more apples than that, don't we?
You've really got to set yourself up with a network of reliable carriers. You have probably 20 different phone calls coming in, 15 different new emails coming in from guys that you don't work with, you don't know who they are, you really have to do your homework. You got to team up with the right guys.
It's about who you work with.
That's right.
We appreciate you doing what you're doing. I can't have my apples without you.
That's right. And we like you to get those apples and pears. Yep.
Excellent.